Okay, I have Molly here, and she's a first-time mom, and she's going to tell us about her experience with the gender revealer.
Yeah, so I used it the first time about 3 years ago. It was during COVID. We were just using it for fun. I was with my mother-in-law and two sister-in-laws. I got it the first time. It said I was going to have boy, boy, girl, boy. So 4 kids. Always mentally thought I would have maybe 3. Now that I have 1 kid, I don't know. 4 seems insane. And then since then, I've brought it to a couple of my girl parties. We were having a garden party one time. I did it again there and did it on all my girlfriends. But again, I had boy, boy, girl, boy. So I'm like, shoot, it's still saying 4. That's a lot of kids.
And were you pregnant at the time of the
Not
garden
pregnant,
party?
no.
Okay.
This was still like 3 years ago.
Yeah.
And then last December, my girlfriend found out she was pregnant, so I brought it over to her house and did it again with a few girlfriends. And it still is saying I'm having 4 kids, so terrifying. And it actually got hers right too. It said she's having 2 girls first, so she's super excited about that.
Did she already have the baby?
She had a girl.
Oh, she had the girl. Oh,
Yeah.
Great. Oh, fantastic.
And she's hoping to get another girl after this.
Yes. And so you bought it for the garden party?
I bought it for the garden party,
Uh-huh.
and it's just been this thing that I pull out anytime I'm going to like a baby shower or a bridal shower, and use it on all my girlfriends because they all think it's magic.
And what did you think of it when you first got it?
I thought it was so cool. It's just, what is it that makes it move? It's like a magnetic force or something that we give off. But it's really neat that it just starts moving on its own and you don't even have to make it move. All my friends think I'm kidding, and then I'm like, no, you do it. You hold it on me and do it, and they see that it actually like starts to move on its own. It's crazy.